Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is possibly going to be the next big smartwatch from Samsung. The latest news suggests Samsung's two wearable lines, which have previously alternated in release, could launch together in 2021 with big differences to make sure the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch Active 4 are sufficiently different. Battery life is a problem with a lot of smart devices, and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 is no exception. While its life isn't terrible, it does need charging every 2 to 3 days, and our tests thought worse still. The size of the battery and the life it delivers are both actually a step down from the original Samsung Galaxy Watch. So for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 we want to see a return to 4, with a battery that can go 4 to 5 days between charges. That might be tricky while keeping the wearable slim, but if any company can't do it, it's one with the resources of Samsung. With a starting price of $399 and a price of $479 for a 45mm model with LT, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 is far from cheap. In fact, its starting price is higher than that of an Apple Watch 6 in many regions, which seems excessive. So for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 we want a lower starting price, perhaps more in line with the original Galaxy Watch, which started at $329. At the very least, though we really hope Samsung doesn't further push the price up. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 is packed full of health features, including an ECG, electrocardiogram, blood pressure monitoring, and an SpO2 monitor for detecting sleep apnea. But none of them were available in all regions at launch. That's because these features each need certifying by regulatory bodies in most countries before being activated in them. But it was a shame to have a premium product where many of its advertised features didn't initially work. So for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, we want these features to still be included. The Galaxy Watch wearable Samsung has opted to use Tizen rather than Wear OS. That's not entirely a bad thing since Tizen has a lot to like about it, but one area where it struggles even more than Google's smartwatch operating system is apps. As well as only offering a rather limited number of apps, it also lacks some of the most useful smartwatch ones, such as Google Maps. We'd love to see this situation somehow improved for the Galaxy Watch 4, whether it's through Samsung somehow incentivizing developers to bring more apps to its device, or producing more and better apps of its own to make up for the omissions. The smartwatch specs don't move on as fast as smartphone ones do, which is why the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 uses the same chipset as the original Galaxy Watch. Not only that, but it also has less RAM, at just 1 GB, than the LTE version of the first Samsung Galaxy Watch. While performance is solid, it's definitely time Samsung improved both the chipset and RAM situation, so we want a new one of the former, and at least 1.5 GB of the latter in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4.